Hey everyone, so today we're going to go over the difference between mass and weight. Now, the mass of an object is the amount of matter the object has, and the mass of an object does not change. Like no matter where you take the object, the amount of atoms in the object, the quantity of matter is always going to be the same. And then the weight is a force that acts on the object, and its quantity is determined by the gravitational force. Now, like in different planets, for example, there's different gravitational forces. So the weight of an object can change. And weight does change depending on where the object is. So with that in mind, let's try the first example. So if you have a 10 kilogram object and it's on Earth, kilogram object on Earth, what's its mass? Its mass is going to be 10 kilograms. And then what's its weight? Its weight, we're going to get by multiplying the mass by the gravitational force. So its weight is going to be 10 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared. Its weight is going to be 98.1 newtons. Newtons because it's a force. Oh, my bad. No, that's not that bad. But now let's take the same 10 kilogram object and let's put it on the moon. What's the mass of the object now? The mass is still equal to 10 kilograms. The amount of atoms in the object has not changed. Now what's the weight? The weight is still equal to the mass times the gravitational force. Now the only difference is the gravitational force is approximately 1.7 meters per second squared on the moon. And the new weight is going to be equal to 17 newtons. So from these two examples, we can see that the mass of an object does not change. The amount of matter or the amount of atoms in the object stays the same. But the weight, the force acting on the object does change depending on where the object is.